This time, tuwang-tuwa kami ng daughter ko sa order namin sa BLK 513. Ang perfect ng pagkakagawa and ang generous ng toppings. To be honest, BLK 513 is my #1 favorite frozen yogurt. Actually, pati yung daughter ko, in fact, siya yung nag-aya na dito kami mag-dessert. Compared to the other frozen yogurt shops, mas lamang talaga yung BLK 513 sa choices ng toppings. Amazing yung choices ng fruits, crunches, and sauces. Yung tipong hindi mo basta-basta makikita sa iba. Yun nga lang, may additional pag-premium toppings yung pinili mo, kaya you have to take note of that. Masarap for me yung charcoal-infused base, but ako personally, happy na ako sa mga regular fruits and crunches. Very satisfied na ako sa white chocolate Goldie and dito sa sugar-free chocolate chip. Sa fruits naman, go-to namin ang kiwi and mangoes. Sauce naman, gusto ko sana mag-try ng iba kaso kasama ko yung daughter ko and gusto talaga niya yung spiced cookie caramel. Masarap naman talaga and you can't go wrong with it. This dark side cup is 220 pesos. It comes with 2 choices of fruits, 2 choices of crunches, and 1 sauce. Sulit na kasi good for sharing na to. Happy yung daughter ko kasi ang ganda-ganda daw ng pagkakagawa ng frozen yogurt namin this time. Frozen yogurt talaga yung guilty pleasure namin. Kayo ba, frozen yogurt lover din ba kayo? If yes, ano yung favorite brand nyo?